Stargate Mobile introduces a prepaid SIM card that operates in any unlocked GSM mobile phone. This allows users to transfer their mobile number or get a new one while achieving significant savings when making domestic and international calls. This service enables the user to control their mobile spending. Remove the back cover of your cell phone device and remove the battery. If you have an existing SIM card, remove it and insert the Stargate SIM card into the holder. The Stargate card metal surface needs to face down. Insert the battery and replace the back cover. Scratch off the gray box to reveal your PIN. Follow the instructions provided on the back of your refill card to activate your account. A confirmation message will be sent to your phone.